long because it's lockdown. But my dad's going to do it for me. So, let's drive to it. Unlock my car. Let's go in my car. And now right. And let's now lock it and shut the door. Then stick my keys in. And let's drive. Come on, guys. Boom, 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 boom. Almost there, guys. Boom, 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 boom. I need to take a seat, guys. Let's put my car keys down there. Now it's time to do it! Woohoo! So now we're at the hair salon. I can now show you the box. Thank you. So, this is quite weird. You guys can read it if you want. And I'll read it just in case you didn't. Dad'll read it. No, you will. Read it. So, it says.
Schwarzkopf, no gloves included, live. Ultra bright or pastel, shocking pink.
And then it's quite cool because you have that person at the front. And then you have the pink hair dye there, and the bottom, and the side, and the other side. And the back is quite cool because it shows you that's just the tip of your end you can get done, or stripes, or all your hair. And then it comes out after a lot of washes, so that's what it'll come out like. If your hair's really light, this will come out if your hair's light and dark. This will come out if your hair's dark. My hair's dark, just strips are blonde, so it might come out like that. So I'll show you inside the box. First we have these little bags. One little bag, we don't know if there's two yet. Two little bags. And this is not a bag. It's a pink hair dye. And now we don't need the box. Instruction time. The instructions are just there if you don't know how to do hair dye. So, here's the back. The back, I always find that is very the important thing. And then the front is quite cool too, because it shows you pictures and all the news. So, first step is put your hair in a bun. Squeeze it, squeeze this onto your hand. Then tear the bags open both. Put it in your hair. You've got to put it in a tissue. And then you've got to do the time and wash it out. That's what the instruction says to do. That's what we're gonna do. But we're not gonna put my hair in a bun. We're gonna put my hair in clips. So this clip has a bit of purple. That's the strip of my purple that's in my hair right now. We use this clip for that. And then we got this clip that has nothing on because it's not being used when hair dye is gone. That's why we're not going to use a bun. Or we're going to use this one. Yum, 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 yum. To do my hair. And because the packages don't come with gloves, if you have gloves at home, use the gloves. Simply, easy, exactly the same as when it just comes in a package. You'll put both gloves on. I'm just showing you so I didn't put both gloves on. And first, you always have to have a brush or a comb with you to brush through your knotty hair from the daytime. We always do it at night. You gotta squeeze this onto your hand. And then you would tear open these. And this. Both of these. And that... Oh, one last thing. Be sure to click the subscribe button and turn on notifications to give me a huge thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Give me a big thumbs up if you like it. Continue watching to see how the hair dye is done. So now I've done my hair wet in the sink and I've dabbed it because that's what the instructions said to do. We are going to get to hair dyeing because look guys, all their dye's in. Now it's time to go wash it off. So now at the end of this video we're going to show you all of my pink hair dye. So now that all the hair's pink, it looks pretty cute and I love it. You can see it like all, and it matches my glasses, which I love that part. And you can see some on my skin, which my dad made a mistake, and some like right there under those pieces of hair. And I just really love it. So, give me a big thumbs up, click that subscribe button, turn on notifications. See you guys later. Bye! Love you guys so much. Bye! Hi, today I am going to the hairdresser to get my hair pink. I know it's lockdown and I'm not going to the real hairdresser. My dad is just a hairdresser, so he knows how to dye hair. So I'm going to go get the box and show you, and then I'm going to drive away to the hair. I've got my keys with me. I can lock it. I can drive it. Cool! You ready? What it is cool when you do that. When you do this, you ready? I'll do it. No, let's let me about way. You ready? Oh, yeah, good. See? And here's the pink hair dye. You can have the tippy ends. You can't see it. You can have the stripped, or you can have all your hair done. My dad, I said I can have all my hair done. So let's go drive away to the hairdressers, guys. But I need to put the pink hair dye on there so they know what they're doing with the pink hair dye. So I just need to swap hands with my keys and things. So let's go drive away to the hairdressers. Come on. You can't even open itself up. It makes a weird noise, guys. But let's go. Great, it's unlocked. And now we can get in, sit down. So now I felt these bags. This one. And this one. And they both felt quite softly. If you get this box of hair dye, get the bags and feel. It might be soft to you. It might be hard to you. But it's definitely soft to me. And it's crinkly. I don't really like it. And this other bag, it feels crinkly. And soft. In the package. Well, we need to squeeze this on my hand. We're not going to do that yet because we have not got the caps. Cap. What's that thing that calls you there? The thing that you peel off? I don't know, but let's go ask Dad for help because I can't dye my hair all by myself. Even all of my hair. Dad? Put this on with it, okay? So now we're gonna dye my hair. But instead of putting it on my hand, I think we're gonna do it in a bowl. So let's get to it.